So guys, today, sad moment, but we are going to be cleaning up this place. Why? So I can take this steering wheel out of my 79 or RX7, so I could put it in my 83. Why, you might ask? Because this one's like months upon months, maybe a year before it's even running, let alone driving on the road. 83, it could be driving on the road in like half an hour after let it warm up. Easy. So yeah, we're gonna do that, so stay tuned to when I cleaning this stuff out of here. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. I got the steering wheel and everything off. There you go. See, no steering wheel. Yes, I am going to be taking it off. Plus, if you see in the previous video, I think is up, but I'm not too sure about that. I think it is, yes. In the front, there are some really nice headlights, some LED, I think LEDs, I'm not sure. Anyways, they look really nice, so I'm going to be putting them in my car because they look nice and I like them. So we're going to go do that, so let's switch over to there. Hey guys, welcome back to this portion. I kind of cleaned the interior a little bit. It was actually really dirty. As you can see now, it's like a lot better than before. If you looked back in the previous videos, it was like really dirty. Minus the fact that the seat is ripping. So besides that, this wheel I like it very much, but mention that quick release that's up there, but here, yeah. So I might see up on a time lapse, might be nice. So yeah, let's go. Okay, here we go guys, the first time putting on this wheel on 83. That feels huge in this car. Like, I know the camera won't do it really justice, but it feels like it's pushed so far back compared to this OEM one. Like, come on. Come on. So, besides that, it actually looks really fucking nice. I actually really like it. It's like for it's off. There we go, that's better. Yeah, I like it. We're gonna find out if the horn works, by the way. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, we are back. Let's see if the horn works. Nice. So, that being said, so one downside that I found is that this hub is a little bit too big. I think it's still too big, I'm not too sure, but this right here doesn't connect properly. Like, there's like a little tab that just connect. There's a little gap, but besides that, I actually really do like it. Now, time for the other part. Give me 2 seconds. So everybody, this is going to be a before. Look, it looks really nice. Halogen bulbs and everything. So give me a second. Okay guys, gotta make this quick because battery's almost dead. Lights are done, and I'm gonna show you them now. Here is the low beams. The guy passed us in that red Suburban jersey I saw on video. He's staring at me like, what the hell are you guys doing? She is loud and proud. He gave me the man. Woo. God damn. She loud, she proud. I think we found our new favorite vehicle, guys. Damn. Look how happy it looks. On all the heads up we're getting. No power steering life, but small car life. How do you like it so far? I love it. I want one. Oh wait, I have one. I don't know, I just don't pull down to the RV park and then do it that way. Second. Right here? Yeah, just use these guys. Like, how am I supposed to use these guys? Now back up, because you're way too loud in here. Just go. You got it. You're good. You're good. You're good. Small car joys. Did that turn anyways? Okay, take me home. Yep. Before we get in trouble. So, why are you in the driver's seat? What do you think? I don't know. You gonna try it? Why do you sit so far? Nah, not far back. Okay. No clutch needed. Said you would. exact same thing I did. Here it comes. Now watch him do a flyby. Oh, you know, brake lights work. That's good. It's actually not as loud as Ricky was saying it was. Or I'm just deaf. Like, as soon as it gets past garbage can-ish, maybe halfway past the garbage can, it's actually not that loud. The pre-silencer does wonders. I swear, the pre-silencer does a lot for that exhaust. I bet if I took it off and just header dumped it, wow, that'd be really loud. But let's see, where is he come from? It's definitely a noise machine for sure.
So what do you think when it's in motion?
It's not as loud as make it seemed.
But it's loud.
It's loud. The pre-silencer does wonders for it.
It does, yeah. But hey,
yes,
it ran. The hood's not even that warm. The temp didn't even go up at all.
Where are you looking for the temp?
Down here.
Okay, so it should idling around like 85-ish.
It got up to about 190, which is normal. It's normal.
Never ramped to 190 for me.
It was up to 190 for me.
Yeah, 'cause look at how you drive.
I had it up to 6.
Yes.
6,000.
Okay.
No issues. Your $2,000 car became a parts car.
Yeah. That's...
Okay, let's go. Let's go work on mine.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes. Let's go work on mine.
Okay.